Welcome! This is Chef Tom. So exactly what are we doing here today, Chef?
Today we are cooking a very traditional Malaysian dish. It's called the egg fried rice.
Egg fried rice. But there's a special name to this, right?
Well, for my version, I call it the golden fried rice.
Golden fried rice. And I know, outside there, people talking, people doing so much this fried rice, but this is how we do it. We Malaysians do it. Okay, so we also here just now he said golden fried rice. What's so golden about it? So fancy one.
It's called golden fried rice because you look gold color
Gold color. How?
by cooking it with egg.
With egg. Okay. Great. So maybe we can just introduce the ingredients.
Sure.
Tom?
So the most important ingredient in a golden fried rice is the rice.
The rice. What kind of rice, Chef Dom?
It's called overnight rice.
Overnight rice. Chill. Okay. Why it cannot be hot?
Later on, it will break apart. Not nice.
Mushy. Not nice.
Next, we have the egg.
The egg. Chicken egg. And then?
Correct. And we have the seasoning, salt, pepper. We have also vegetables
Vegetables.
and the meat.
And the meat. Any meat also can.
Any meat. But today we go with chicken meat.
Okay, chicken meat.
You can use beef, lamb, fish, any meat you want. Fresh meat, canned meat, frozen meat.
Ikan bilis also technically meat, right? Can, right?
Can.
Okay, can.
And lastly, we have the Asian spices.
What's the Asian spices?
We have the garlic, the ginger, and of course, the shallots.
Shallots? Bawang merah meh?
English.
Oh, English. Bawang merah.
Malaysian, we speak a lot of language, right?
Yeah, true. Okay. So, what do we do now?
So first things first, you can help me by cracking the eggs, season it, and then mixing it up.
Okay.
While I will start by cutting up some spring onion.
Spring onion.
So spring onion, we like to cut it nice and thin, but not too thin, because we still want that crunchy effect.
I have a question. Why must be spring onion? Why cannot be cilantro? Okay, understood.
Alright, continue please.
Yes. Okay. So after I do that, then what?
Then you just add in some salt, some pepper to taste.
To taste.
Mm.
I almost put the whole thing.
No.
Okay.
Agak. Everything is agak. Malaysian style, okay?
Suppose I have to do this first. Mixing, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Once it's nicely mixed, just add in the salt, pepper.
But I can add in the salt and pepper later on, right? While cooking.
Can, but it'll be more flavorful if you add it with the egg right now. Because towards the end, we still add some more salt and pepper.
Okay, I'm gonna put the salt after the pepper. Mix it for you.
So once everything is done mixed, you can mix it together with the rice.
Okay.
Just to coat every single grain of the rice.
Every single grain of the rice. Let me just do this a little bit more because it's a bit clumpy. So this one is about done, is it?
Yeah, it's about done.
Okay. So I just put it in the chilled rice, right?
Yep, put in the chilled rice.
In this rice bowl. So just gonna
Everything.
everything. It's quite a lot.
Like I said, the more egg, the more golden it will be.
More egg, the more golden. He said. That's why now it's bit yellowish.
Careful don't crush the rice.
Don't crush the rice. Don't do what I did. Do what he says, not as I do.
So next, grab some lettuce and lettuce slice.
Lettuce.
So I'm gonna start with slicing chicken breast. I like to use chicken breast because it's full of meat, it's lean, very good for the body. And I like to slice it together with the skin. Skin on is always best.
Ah, I don't know about you, but I hate skin. Hate it.
And slice it nice and even. Keep as much skinniness on as possible.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
Like this has been a debate on the interwebs.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need to wash chicken from the grocery store? You know how you have it in the plastic, right? So
Yeah.
do you need to wash it before you actually handle it and cook it?
Well, actually, no. It's perfectly fine unless you see some green stuff on the chicken. That means it has gone bad, and if it smells bad, it's gone bad. So that one you throw it away. But it's not necessary that you need to wash the chicken after you get it from the grocery store, even though it's a little bit wet here and there. But it's not advisable to do so as well, because sometimes the water can contain bacteria that is not harmful to humans, but once it comes in contact with chicken, you start to develop harmful bacteria. So it's not advisable, but if you want to feel safe about it, you can use those purified water, not directly from the tap. Those, try to avoid tap water for cleaning your vegetables, your meat, your fruits. It's not a good idea to do so.
So basically just boil a bunch of water, wait till it's cool, then clean it? Okay. We're going to go to the actual cooking. So I get it. You're thinking, what is the most important thing in every Asian household? The wok.
The wok.
The wok. But why exactly must be the wok?
We use the wok in most of our Asian kitchen because we want the wok hei. Wok hei is the breath of the fire. No fire, no wok hei, no life.
No life.
So first thing we add is the oil.
The oil. What's the oil? What's the oil? Cooking oil.
How much oil? Agak.
Agak.
So usually coat the pan, coat the wok with the oil. Next, we add the aromatics, the Asian ingredients.
The one that we chopped up just now, right?
Yes. Stir it around in the pan until it's nice and fragrant. Next we add is the chicken.
Chicken.
Do you mind putting in the chicken?
Okay, do I just chuck it in?
Just chuck it in.
I just chuck it in.
Mm.
So how cooked do we have to make it?
We cook it until it's halfway done because later on when you put in the rice, still need to cook the rice. So we don't want overcooked chicken also.
But how do we tell if it's halfway cooked?
You can see there's no raw part of the chicken.
Like pink color lah.
Yeah, no pink color.
No pink color.
Now we add the rice.
The rice. Our rice egg mixture.
So for the rice egg mixture, just add it in. No need to be shy about it. Add everything in.
Low heat, is it?
We start with low heat first because we don't want to overcook the egg first. Once the rice is in, then you can bring up the heat.
Everything or just
The vegetables, the whole vegetables, the lettuce.
okay, the lettuce. Lettuce.
And the spring onions.
Half of it or
Half of it. Should be
half
fine.
of it?
As much as you want.
Of it. Okay, half. So I noticed you are putting up the heat, up and down the heat. So what's so important about doing that?
We do not want to overcook it. Overcook the ingredient, burning the ingredient. So the skill to use a wok is you need to know how to control the breath.
The bread.
And last, the seasoning. Salt first.
Salt.
As much salt as you need, but not too much because the eggs already have salt.
Right. Pepper.
And a little bit of pepper. So that's how I make my golden fried rice.
Golden fried rice, the Malaysian style. Okay, so I have this here. He doesn't really want to taste it.
I know my skill.
He knows his skill. A bit hot. It's a bit hot. Hold on.
Because of the wok. Hey,
What the fire? Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
I know my skill.
Okay, so if you like what we did today, give us a like, give us a follow, and why not you tag hashtag every uncle, every auntie, and why not hashtag and tag Uncle Roger. So yeah, or why not you just post up, tag us, and let us know how you make your fried rice at home, the Malaysian style. Okay, great. Thank you for having us, and see you